Abha guys, and as you can see, nandito po tayo sa Zigzag Road, or some people would say this is the Devil's Road kasi po masyadong steep yung mga dadaanan natin na roads, and then we are going through the mountains. So if there is something na malfunction sa isang vehicle guys, sigurado doon ang bagsak nyo sa ilalim. And as you can see, ano po tong mga mountains na to, rock mountains. So every now and then dadaan po tayo sa tunnels because we are passing through the mountains. So talagang napakalula po guys ng scenery, pero ma-appreciate mo siya at ma-amaze ka na very talented, shall we say, or genius yung gumawa ng mga roads na to. And then you have to be very careful na talagang mahina yung pagmamaneho. So as you can see guys, mahina lang yung pagmamaneho ng driver. So for now, we are passing through the what they call this one?
We're inside the
Tunnel. Hindi siya masyadong mahabang tunnel. And well lighted naman po itong tunnel na to. So hindi naman siya nakakatakot actually. By the way guys, ang road pala na to, one way lang siya. So, iba yung pataas na way at iba yung pababa na way sa mountain. Dahil nga, as I told you, masyado siyang delikado actually sa mga vehicle. Lalo na pag medyo maulap or umulan. So, medyo madulas yung mga daanan. Anyhow, very unique po ito na experience guys, at ma-appreciate mo po talaga ang beauty ng nature. So, masasabi ko na God is very good and very great kasi kahit ganito kataas yung mountains, kumbaga, na-enlighten niya yung mind ng mga tao na mag-build ng roads. So, maganda talaga actually ang view guys. As in. So, I hope na mag-enjoy kayo guys while we are traveling. So, samahan niyo ako guys sa aking pag-travel. And don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel.